Your watch item is next on the block. Bonus time. New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. Sold.
What's up, YouTube? We back again. Ava Rebuilds. We're getting ready to bring in the 2023 HELLCAT Wide Body Jailbreak. We'll start it up for you guys real quick. Oops, sorry. That John probably did the jump box.
I'll go inside, see if it starts.
So definitely ain't need no jump box. I don't know, maybe a little malfunction with the auto start.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
But we're about to let it warm up for a little bit, and then we're gonna pull it up, get it on inside the frame machine, and then we're just gonna let you guys know what's going on with it.
To the right, to the right. All right, straight, straight. There you go. Left, yeah. Straight, 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 straight. All right.
So we got up on the frame machine. I mean, this one was definitely a wide body. Look at the front wheels, just hanging off the frame machine. We looked at the back. It's a little dirty. It was buried in the back with the bushes. We're gonna clean it all up. So we got on the frame machine. This is an older frame machine that I got off of a buddy of mine's a couple years ago. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. 3 posts. You can fit a dually on there, a full-size truck. I haven't had any issues with it. It gets the jobs done. So got the remote. I'm gonna raise up the car. Alright, so we got it all up on the frame machine. We're gonna rip out this crash wrap. We just had it on there because the window was broken. And then we're gonna show you guys the extent of the damages. So as you can see, the hit, it's not too crazy. It's a little crazy, but it's not too bad.
What?
The Quarter panel buckled right here, of course, from the impact, from getting hit on the center post. We're gonna replace the 2 doors. We're gonna replace the center post. Surprisingly, the fender made it. No fender damage, no suspension damage. Curtain airbags came out. The seat airbag came out. The rocker's pretty clean. There's no damage on the rocker. So the windshield is broken, again, from the impact when it got hit up on center post. Trying to think what else, but overall, like, the car is pretty clean. Just a little walk around. As I said, it is a wide body. It is a jailbreak. The car is so new. It still got the pink wrapper y'all always been about. Like, when people get their Hellcats, they don't ever take off. So the car is definitely fresh. Only has like 6,000 miles on it. Just the left side of the car is pretty much clean. You see the little jailbreak on the back. 305s, 35, 20s on there. It's definitely the wide body. Got the little carbon fiber diffuser on the rear. I don't know if that's OEM or not. I'm not really too big on the American cars. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna show you guys a little interior shot. We can't get it open on the passenger side, so we're gonna go to the driver's side and then just show you guys what we're working with on the inside. We're on the inside. Like I said, the interior is not too bad. We're gonna replace the curtain airbags. We're gonna have to replace this door panel because the door doesn't come with a door panel. And I believe the driver's side seat, the airbag did deploy. So we're gonna go ahead and get a new airbag for the seat and take the seat to our upholstery guy. And he's gonna get the seat all fixed up for us. So that's the front of it. You can see the miles. It was only 6,328 miles. So the car is fairly new. You know what I mean? It's fairly new. It still smells like a new car. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think where we had the parts at. I don't know where the parts at, but on the next video, we'll get the parts in and you'll see our body guy, Joe. He'll start stripping the doors apart. And then we'll just go on this one's actually not gonna be too crazy on the parts list, but we'll start showing you guys what parts that we have for it. And just stay tuned.